and he demonstrate a fantastic exercise as an alternative to squat for lower body power and strength for your legs and your hamstrings and your butt, basically the whole lower body. What it does even more is it actually also improve your balance and coordination, because it's a unsymmetric exercise, and I'll just demonstrate it here. All you need is basically chairs to step up on, and due to the length of the exercise, how many minutes you use, how many seconds you're using on it, it will also give you some grip endurance, because you have to keep on your dumbbells here. And I'll guarantee you, you will get exhausted as well. So just shift your legs. I should have kept on, but then I can't speak. What it does, because you do one leg at a time, is you have a lot of core involvement. You have to tighten up your stomach and your back at the same time. So there's a lot of balance and brain body connection. This is a perfect motocross specific exercise for your lower body strength, power and balance as well.